Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on our AUD JPY. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you don't know that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, click on this notification bell icon to stay updated. Once I upload, you'll get the update. Let's start with our trend on AUD JPY. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. So that we are trending upward, we are trending downward, or market is likely ranging. These are the three movements markets will likely give us: a trend to the upside, a trend to the downside, or a ranging market move. Now, this is its movement here, where we are this impulsive move, which within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and higher low. You can see it within this impulsive move. There is a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and an higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase, which is our corrective move. Within this corrective move, we were having a series of lower low and a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Took out this previous high. Here comes the corrective wave. You can see lower low and lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move. This is our corrective move. Here is also our impulsive move, and here is the corrective move. Massive drop, right? Massive drop. Markets eventually gave us a new impulsive move, which took out this previous high here, hereby forming a new high here. If you see it, then here's our pullback phase, which is a corrective move. Our next movement on AUD JPY, which is our Australian dollar to JPY, another impulsive move. So we should expect another bullish move to the upside on AUD JPY. So another bullish move is what we should be expecting for the week. So if you are to open on the buy right now, see markets come to our previous high, you will be grabbing about 160 pips. So you can see that you will be making at least a minimum of 160 pips, right? 160 pips potential movement to the upside on AUDJPY. So this is a massive movement. So do not miss out on this movement. Expect more movement. So for swing traders, by the way, and for position traders, you would want to hop in on the buy and grab at least about 160 pips or more. Now this is our multiple rejection level here. We first had our rejection, which made the market to push up. Market came back, retest it, rejected, push it up. It came back to this level, and we've gotten multiple rejection. As you can see, this is a double bottom. First touch rejected, second touch rejected, and now we've pushed up. So you can see that this is an indication that markets will now push up more. So a little bit of a pullback you might want to be seeing, expecting that on your 1 hour time frame. Let's see it on the 1 hour time frame. See, this is the pullback currently playing out. So the pullback on the 1 hour time frame is playing out. So once the pullback plays out finish, guys, open for the buy. And swing traders, you can open for the buy and hold it for a week until Friday. You would actually going to make a lot of pip from this. That is 160 potential pips movement to the upside.